Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for May 1st to the 13th, May 1st to the 5th. A trough is forecast here in the west. We also have a trough here, or upper low over the northeast, ridge in between. We also have a ridge here south of the Aleutians and out here across the northwest Atlantic. But the pattern's forecast consists of a trough in the west, and this trough will lift out, replaced by rising heights as this ridge slides eastward, and there'll be above normal heights across the east central states. The focus of this period will be a slow-moving trough in the southwest that will cause heavy rainfall and severe weather. Widespread precipitation is anticipated over the southwest U.S. and the Four Corners. Rainfall will spread from the northern central plains to the southern plains, along with a threat of severe weather Tuesday and Wednesday. Rising heights in the east will result in above normal temperatures, about 10 to 15 degrees above normal, and cool temperatures are forecast in the west due to the precipitation. May 4th to the 8th. Here we are at the 6th. We have a ridge here south of the Aleutians. We have a trough that will be here centered over the southwest, and here is our ridge with above normal heights across east central states. And you're looking at the GFS, and I go through the days. I go through about the 8th. Here we are. And you can see we have a little bit of a split flow, but we have a ridge here. A trough, We have a ridge over here. And this trough, or this ridge, will slide eastward as this trough here slides east also. And we have above normal heights across much of the east central states. And we take a look at the models. They're in good agreement. So for this forecast period, I'm forecasting near to above normal temperatures for much of the nation, with the numbers near 4 degrees above normal for precipitation. Below normal precipitation forecast here, and for this region, probability of occurrence is about 45%, and we have above normal precipitation here, and the probability of occurrence is 40%. May 9th to 13th. Here we are at the 9th. Most of the models depict a ridge in the west and a trough in the east as this upper low kind of sinks south. Right now it starts out with a southwest flow across the east central states, but as we go through the period, you see the upper low starting to sink southward, and it kind of carves out a weak trough here across the eastern U.S. And then we take a look at the other models. Like here is the European ensembles. Yep. Has a ridge here across western North America and the east, with a trough centered in the western U.S. But if we take a look what's going on over in Eastern Europe, Eastern Asia, we have a ridge here which favors a ridge in the east. So with that in mind, I'm going to forecast. Let me see, I don't have the map up. So therefore, I'm just forecasting above normal temperatures for the west, with the numbers of 4 to 8 degrees above normal, near normal elsewhere, due to possibility of a trough here, but basically starts out with a ridge in the eastern U.S., near normal elsewhere. And for precipitation, I'm calling for above normal precipitation here, and for this region, probability of occurrence is 40%, and we have below normal precipitation forecast here. Probability of occurrence is 45%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for May 1st to the 13th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.